it's Heather, and I'm here with my Look Fantastic. Now, I have gotten this for 3 months now, and I'll tell you, I haven't done a video on it because I've had a lot of issues that I will talk about a little bit in here. When I signed up, I got my first box down back in December, and when I opened it up, it only had 3 products. And it's supposed to have at least five to six products, I think, in here. And I had 3. I mean, that was it. Like, that was the whole box, and I had paid for it. So I was frustrated, and I reached out to them, and they just kept emailing me back saying they would give me a free box, and they would pay me the difference of the few products that I did not get. Well, it was like a month and a half later, and I still hadn't gotten that. I haven't gotten the money back for the products that I was missing, but then I also never got the refund, but I also got charged for another box and sent another box. So I wasn't very happy, and I kept reaching out to them, and it took them days to get back to me each time. And I asked them to cancel, and then they finally came back and said, well, when I signed up, it was a 3-month thing. I didn't know that, but that's fine. Still hadn't gotten my money back or anything. And I never got reimbursed for the products. Never got a free box. So eventually, I think just recently, over the last couple weeks, I finally got like just the box money back. I never got reimbursed for the parts that were missing and then the free box. It was just like I got 1 box, my money back for that. So, and that's fine, but I really just wanted to cancel and be done. I still had 1 more box to get because it was a 3-month thing. So I have it here, and I'm going to open it. Now, it's not because I didn't like the products in there. It was just their customer service I didn't feel like was very good. It took a long time for them to respond to me. I've never had a box that come and just have like 3 products in it and then not have them offer to at least like send me the rest of the products or something. It was like nothing. And it took me so long to get my money back. So for the 1 box. Anyway, even though they offered me a free box and money back for the products that I was missing, just to make it right, but they never did that. So I'm not happy. I did cancel. But this is my last box, and I'll go ahead and share my experience with you guys because that's what we do here on my channel. And the boxes are really pretty. And they are like a sister company to Glossybox, which I do get too, but I have never had any issues with Glossybox. In fact, their shipping and everything has been really great. So I have nothing bad to say about them. This one, we'll see. Let's see what's inside. So they give you this little thing, Beauty Edit. It's time to be your own soulmate. So that's cute. And it does have like editor's note, and then of course about the products. It does not have the prices of anything, but it does have what you could get in here and how to use each thing, and even like the morning news. So it's just like a cute little magazine. I do like that. And then inside, just like Glossybox, it has a little sticker. And then products. I actually have, I think, 5 products in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Nope. And a sample. I think I have all my products. First thing I see is called Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. And it's a very small sample size. And great for travel. I know you guys hear me say that in all my videos lately. You guys are going to get sick of me. This is from I think it's from the EOS. Eco Zodiac Galactic Lid Gloss Creamy Eyeshadow. And this is like a super small sample. So I think this was an extra because I have 6 products in here. So I think this is an extra. Anyways, it's just a cute little eyeshadow. We'll try it. Let's see. Oh, Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel Advanced Skincare. And again, a sample size. So I think there is a mix of sample and full-size products in these boxes. But I love Elemis. I mean, this is a really, really, really good brand. So I do like that. Oh, this is gorgeous. Bubble Tea Bath and Body, Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter. That is adorable. Again, I love getting different items, you know, things that I haven't seen and brands I haven't heard of. It says cruelty-free, vegan, all the good stuff. It looks like they have like their Facebook, Twitter, all that on the bottom of their package here too. But that is adorable. Okay. Wipe Out Wipes. Eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. And I love these. So I got some, I can't remember if it was the Kinder Beauty or if it was another glossy box, but I got a couple makeup rounds and oh, these are so soft. And I use them all the time. I use the makeup rounds all the time, but look at these. And they're so fluffy, but you can take off your makeup with it with cleaner. And my other ones I throw them in the wash all the time and they just feel still so soft and wonderful. They're not the same brand, but I'm excited to try those. So that's awesome. Okay, last product is Illamasqua Skin Glowing Gel. I'm not really sure if I said that even close to right. Again, this is a very small size, but I think this is an expensive brand. Ooh, look at the little jar. That is very cute. But mostly sample sizes in here. I think the only full size would be these pads and the lotion. The rest of them are all sample sizes. And I think I pay like $18, $19 a month for this box. So I don't feel like, you know, the value is going to be as much as like BoxyCharm, where you get, for $25, you get like 5 full-size products. There are a lot of samples, but they did give good, I mean, really good brands, and these are cute. But you know, LMS, and I'm sure this one is expensive. I'm not sure about these. Got the little eye, and then this. So, I don't know. I think it's a good mix of products for sure, and high end. So I do like what I got. I unfortunately will not be subscribing to them though, just because I can't do it if the customer service isn't great. I'm used to like Stitch Fix and BoxyCharm, and all these places are amazing. When you have an issue, they just take care of it right away. They just take care of their people, and I like that. And I had such a difficult time with Look Fantastic, so I will be canceling for that reason only. It's not that the products aren't good, and I've heard a lot of good things about the products that they get. So anyways, that is all. If you enjoyed this, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video, and we will see you next unboxing. Bye.